In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outlook for cold email marketing. Cold email marketing can be an incredibly effective strategy when you approach it the right way, and I'm here to guide you through each of the necessary steps to masterfully execute a successful email campaign using Outlook. First and foremost, it's essential to use a professional email address. This means opting for an address that looks something like name@yourcompany.com. The key here is to avoid any generic or free email addresses as much as possible. A custom domain signifies professionalism and can greatly improve your email deliverability, ensuring that your emails make it to your recipient's primary inbox, rather than being filtered into spam. Once you've got your professional email set up, the next step is to create a contact list. This is where you should gather and store all your leads. Outlook provides several ways to manage this process effectively. You could choose to store your leads directly in Outlook Contacts if you want everything centralized. Alternatively, you might use Excel if you like a more hands-on approach with spreadsheets. Some might prefer the robustness of CRM tools, which offer a broader suite of functionalities for managing customer relationships. Whichever option you choose, having an organized contact list is crucial, as it serves as the foundation for your emailing efforts. The third step involves writing a personalized email. A well-crafted email can make all the difference in whether your recipient engages with your message. For cold emails, keep your messages short, but make every word count by ensuring it's relevant to the recipient's needs or interests. It should be clear. This means the purpose or benefit should be evident immediately. Personalization is key, so try to make the email sound human rather than an automated message generated en masse. This approach can significantly increase the chances of receiving a response. Finally, let's look at how to schedule your emails. Outlook offers a handy feature that lets you do just that, enabling you to choose the optimal time when your recipient is most likely to receive and respond to your message. To schedule an email in Outlook, first compose your email as you normally would. Once ready, navigate to the Options tab. Here, you'll find the Delay Delivery option. Clicking on this will allow you to set a specific date and time for the email to be sent. Scheduling your emails ensures that they arrive at the perfect moment to capture your recipient's attention. That wraps up our tutorial on using Outlook for cold email marketing. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to crafting effective outreach emails. Whether you're trying to generate new leads, make first contact with prospective clients, or just broaden your company's reach, mastering the details of email marketing can open up new pathways to success. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips serve you well.